future. About to blast off, yeah, you could call me super. Man, I'm an icon, he lost to the clips in the game like my middle name is Luna. Hop in the cruiser, yeah, we taking off. Now you heard the rumors, yes, I got the sauce. A true needle mover, I never took a loss in this game. I'm the ruler, yes, I am the boss. Nothing's gonna be the same. Nothing's gonna be the same. Nothing's gonna be the same. Everything's about to change.
Itong lahat na nangyari dito, si God talaga yung nag-lead to happen, to make these things happen.
Hi, babe. Today I stand here in front of you, in front of our family, friends, and most importantly, in front of God. Because today, He answered one of my longest and most heartfelt prayers. Our relationship wasn't perfect, full of ups and downs, loves and tears, with all the chaos. I'm grateful that it was you beside me through it all.
Thank you very much, Mami, for everything. Ikaw yung number one na nagtiwala sa akin bilang ako. Although, yung magkakaiba nga kami, you know the best of me. Thank you very much, Ma. Love you.
Thank you, Ma, for taking care of us. Kinaya naman natin kahit wala si Papa.
Gagawin ko lahat para maging totoo yung promises na maglalast siya forever. So, those are the things talaga na ipapangako ko sa kanya.
Sure ka dito, ha?
By God's grace, kasi nagkaroon lang time na magkakilalan kami. Very family-oriented. So, isa yun sa mga nakita ko na check, madiskarte sa buhay. So, check, hindi ako magugutom. Check. Makikita mo naman na ano na siya, matured enough para mag-build ng family.
New mercies rising, grace never failing.
Alan! Yan. Ito kay Chow.
Thank you. Ayos.
Try. Oy, tago na yung panig.
You're worth it all. You're everything.
Ano lang dumating na lang din talaga siya. So, doon ako naniwala ako bigla doon sa darating na lang. Kasi naumay ka na sa lahat ng bagay. Ayaw mo na ng mga bagay na dumating. So, I think, siya na talaga. Wala nang iba.
New mercies rising, grace never failing. Your all-consuming love.
Babe, sabi ko nga sa'yo, diba? Thank you so much for letting me enter in your life. Thank you very much for everything, especially sa trust. And pag-accept kung sino ako. Kung ano ako at sino ako. The best. I love you so much. Ayun.
Let love like a fire fill all that's inside me.
This is it. Tapusin na natin to. And I can't wait to walk down the aisle and see you. Laban lang sa bagong chapter ng life natin.
Let love like a fire fill all that's inside me.
I will always choose you. I will love you until the end of.
You fill me completely.
Ang araw pong ito ang siyang pinakamagandang araw para kay Cedric at Marvelyn. Dahil po sa hapong ito, sila ay susumpa sa harap ng altar.
Let love like a fire